Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, the hub for all things classic, custom, and cutting edge in the automotive world. Today, we've got something absolutely insane, a beast that blends vintage soul with futuristic muscle. We're diving deep into the monstrous and majestic 1959 Chevrolet Apache 6x6 2026 edition. This isn't just a truck, it's an icon reimagined, a legend reborn, and a machine that demands respect the second it rolls onto the road. Now, if you thought the original Apache was cool back in the day, wait till you see what's been done for 2026. This isn't your regular restored pickup, it's a 6x6 custom-built powerhouse, designed for the off-road warrior and the classic enthusiast alike. The stance, aggressive; the attitude, unmatched; and the presence, absolutely intimidating. Let's talk about that bold exterior. The 2026 Apache 6x6 stays true to its classic roots with those curvy fenders, retro grille, and vintage body lines. But it's been stretched, lifted, and widened to handle 6 mammoth off-road tires that chew up any terrain you throw at them. The custom steel bumpers, matte black finish, and rugged roll bars scream utility and style. It's built to dominate, whether it's crawling over boulders or turning heads on the street. Under the hood, you're looking at a fire-breathing modern V8, a supercharged LS3, or even a crate 632 option, depending on the builder's choice, pumping out upwards of 750 horsepower. This thing doesn't just look mean, it sounds and performs like a savage. Paired with a heavy-duty transmission and an advanced 6-wheel drive system, the Apache 6x6 handles like a military tank fused with a muscle car. And the exhaust note, pure thunder. Step inside, and it's a whole different experience. The cabin blends vintage cues like analog-style dials and chrome accents with modern tech, digital cluster, touchscreen infotainment, premium leather seats with diamond stitching, and even a killer sound system for those long off-road hauls. It's old-school charm with 2026 luxury and tech packed in every inch. Now let's be honest, a build like this isn't for the faint of heart. It's for those who want to stand out. It's for collectors, adventurers, and anyone who wants their ride to be as bold as their lifestyle. Whether you're showcasing it at a custom car show or taking it into the wild unknown, the 2026 Chevrolet Apache 6x6 delivers both looks and performance in a package that few trucks can match. We've seen a lot of killer custom builds on this channel, but this one's something else. It's the perfect storm of heritage and horsepower. A tribute to Chevrolet's golden era with all the bells, whistles, and raw muscle of modern engineering. You don't just drive this truck, you make a statement with it. So what do you think? Would you take this 6x6 beast for a spin? Could it be your next dream truck? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know. And don't forget, if you love custom classics, brutal builds, and rare revivals, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because Car Trend drops heat every week. We bring you the sickest rides, the craziest builds, and the most jaw-dropping machines out there. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep riding in style. We'll catch you in the next one.